Hi my friends, it's Fawad again with one more video. I was playing with my Note 9 and I found one iPhone iOS launcher. So I said, why not I share with you guys? All right, let's see. I'll show you guys how it looks like. See, it looks like same like that iPhone. Even the apps, actually, you see that the Play Store app, it looks like the App Store. Best thing about this launcher is it gives you the app icons very close to iPhone 10 icons, and it gives you a real look close to the iPhone 10, and you can see that all the icons are good. See, there is a control center which is you can move it to the sides or in the bottom too. It's not from the top like iPhone 10, but it still gives you kind of a same look as control center from the iPhone like iOS. So if you can see that all those features like flashlight, calculator, camera, and screen brightness, volume, and all those, see, I can change, you can change it, that brightness, you can change the volume, and even use those app Dixie flashlight, notch up there, and so it's the look is very to close to the iOS. Now I want to show you how I do it. So just go to the Play Store and look for iOS 12 or launcher iOS 12. Shows you iOS 12 launcher. This launcher gives you very close to the iOS 12 look. So install it, and it's very stable. I checked last time using it for last 1 week, and it's very stable and no crashes, no nothing. Just the only thing is too many ads there. So I'm just right now using it for like clicking it for just once. So okay, welcome and do it. See, it's already there. We have to do some tweaks now to make it looks like close to the iPhone 10. Like I move that one camera app down there close to that, and now we want to put that iOS launcher in there, allow, so we can change some setting. We have to download the control center, press it, and then we have to download from here, press OK, install. It will install that one, and we go back, and yeah, we have to download the assistive touch. Down control center is downloaded, assistant touch is there. Now we have to go for the wallpaper. Look how many wallpaper options we have in there. All the new wallpapers are there, so we can change it, we can use them. But my favorite one is that one, but I want to show you this one too because it's closest one, but this one is my favorite. Always like, okay, I put it on a home and I go back to the main screen. Okay, now it's ready. I changed a little bit all the apps, make it go. So when you pro the control center, allow it again, allow permission, because Android, so we have to do all those tweaks to make it close to that thing. So that's the control centers. It's background, you can change the colors, you can change everything. Background position, color, size, music control, customize, even customize that one. We have an option to put up maximum up to 8, so we can add from this list. Like, look, everything is in there: contacts, emails, Excel, gallery, games and launcher, all those things. It's close to the real look, but I am, oh yes, I forgot one thing: notch, iPhone 10 notch. So you have to go to the Play Store, look for the iPhone 10 notch and install it. Let it install. In the meanwhile, I show you who is done. Open up. I know there's some ads always there. Allow permission. Go back there. click that button from there. Okay, add one more ad. All right, see, it's on, it's front. You can change the size, you change the color. So when we open, now it's ready. Look at that, same icon, same look, and same notch. It looks like iPhone 10. This is my assistive touch, settings, notifications, recent, favorite, everything is up there. Control center, you can see all the control center, brightness control, volume. See, it looks same. If you have iPhone and you want to change, see that volume. You have the phone, you have that one, and you have the ringtones, music, everything, and even the flashlight, and you have that airplane mode, Bluetooth. Now we can check the weather app, which is for iOS app. It shows you the cloudy and temperature. Not too much information because it's just giving you the closest look. Hopefully you like my video. Just want to show you how it looks like iOS on the Note 9, and you can download this to any of your Android, and you can just enjoy those features. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Peace.